Okay, so the table shows here basic hotel costs, okay, for a holiday to Turkey for the room in this table here, and then you've got the supplement costs. So we've got Mrs. and Mrs. Thompson here. They're going on holiday with their 3 children. Okay, so we'll highlight that because, of course, we need to determine the cost here for the children, and then in terms of the supplements, sea view and bed and breakfast. Yeah. Now it says 22nd of August they're going on, so you need to select the correct row here in the table. You can see quite clearly there August 22nd on that row. So the adult will pay 3,240. First child, it says, is free, and then any additional children, extra children, it's half of the adult price. So let's get going on this. So let's first of all work out the room costs. Okay, so maybe I'll do a little subheading there, room costs, and then we'll do the costs then for the adults. Okay, so cost for adults. Okay, and that would be then, of course, there's 2 adults, so it'd be 2 lots of 3,240. Okay, let's get my calculator. So 2 times 3,240, and that comes to £6,480. That's for the adults. Now for the children, remember, children, the first child goes free, and then any additional children is half of the adult price. So let's work out half of the adult price. Half of 3,240. So that would be 3,240. Of course, you need to divide that by 2. Okay, so get my calculator. 3,240. Half of it means just divide by 2, and we get 1,620. So then we can do the cost for children. Will be let's think about this carefully. Let's be careful. There's 3 children, all right? But the first child goes free. So in effect, the first child pays 0, doesn't he or she? And then any additional children is half of the adult price. So basically, half of the adult price is this. So there's 2 extra children. Then, okay, first child's free, and then the other 2 children make up 3 children. So we're going to have that basically. So 1,620 plus 1,620 comes to 3,240. Okay, so then the total cost here for the room will be the adults, which is 6,480, okay, plus then the children, which is 3,240. Okay, so 6,480 plus 3,240, and that comes to 9,720. Okay, so that's the total cost there. Now, if we look at the supplements then, so what does this say? Sea view. The sea view is £2, right? We've got that there, haven't we? Quite clearly. Sea view is £2. So cost, let's do for one night to start with. Cost of sea view for one night. So it'd be £2, but remember with the supplements, it's per person per night, isn't it? So £2. How many people are there? Mr. and Mrs. Thompson and 3 children. So there's 5 people, right? 5 people, and you've got to include all the people, the 2 adults and the 3 children. Okay, you know, ignore what's said about the room. I know the first child went free there before, but that's got nothing to do with the supplements. It's per person. So 2 adults, 3 children. That's 5 of them, and that comes to £10. Okay, now that's for one night. Of course, we want 7 nights. This is a 7-night stay. So that will be 7 lots of these. This is for one night. So it'll be 7 times £10, or £10 times 7, which is £70. Then we'll do the cost of bed and breakfast, or B&B, for one night. Okay, now in here it's £12. And of course there's 5 people, so that would be £60. And that's for one night. But then for 7 nights, it'll be £60 times 7, and that means 420. Now, to get the overall total cost, we've got to be careful what we've added up, and I've underlined things here, okay, and you might not necessarily want to include them. So total cost will be the cost of the room, which was 9,720, plus then the cost of the sea view, which was £70, plus then the cost for the bed and breakfast is 420. Okay, so 9720 plus 70 plus 420, and that comes to £10,210. Very expensive holiday there. And we're done.